Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the day 4 of Advent of Cyber 2022. So this day, the challenge is about scanning. So after completing this day's challenge, you will learn about what is scanning, scanning types, scanning techniques, and also scanning tools. So I'm not gonna read all the whole text here because it will take a lot of time and the length of the video will be too long. So it's your task. You have to read it completely. It's a very useful information there. You will learn about what is scanning, scanning types, passive scanning, active scanning, scanning techniques, and also network scanning, port scanning, and also vulnerability scanning. Also you will learn about the scanning tools like nmap, nikto, and those are very necessary information if you want to start in cybersecurity or ethical hacking or even bug bounties. So I'm gonna strictly jump into the fun part and answering the questions. So for us, let's just we have to start the machine which is here. Should start this machine, start the attack box. I have to start the attack box. For you as well, you have to start the machine and also start the attack box as well, because if you are using your own machine, you have to connect through the OpenVPN. But if you are using browser based or you're using it through the browser, you need this called Linux virtual machine, which is also provided by the TryHackMe. You can access the machine, which the IP address will be shown in just 20 seconds. You can access this machine through this called Linux virtual box. So while we are waiting for the machine to start, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on the notification to be notified when I upload a new video. It's just a one click for you, but for me it's a ton of motivation and a lot of support. Thank you. So now the called Linux virtual machine is up, or the attack box is up, and we have the IP address of the machine that we need to scan as well. So let's go. Let me first open the terminal here in the attack box and answer the first question. What is the name of the HTTP server running on the remote host? For this, we have to use the nmap or the network mapper to check for the open ports that are available on this IP address or the machine that we are gonna do scan. So we have to type nmap, and I'm not going to specify the port. It will just automatically scan the 1000 famous ports, and I'm just gonna provide the IP address 10.10.178.164. If you're wondering what IP address is this, it's the IP address of the machine that we just started. It's also available here and also available at the start of the challenge here. 10.10.178.164. Let's hit enter and we have to wait. So now we can see that there are 4 ports are open. The question asks about the name of the server that's running on port on the HTTP server, which is HTTPS port 18. Now I'm gonna use the same command and specify the port by -p, which is port 80, and I'm gonna ask for a SV for the service version, and no, I don't need the operating system, so you can use -o for the operating system, but for me that's just the service version is okay. Hit enter, and now it will show us about this port. So as you can see on port 80 HTTP server, the Apache is running. So the name of the server is Apache. Good. What is the name of the service running on port 2022? So the name of the server on port 22 is SSH. It's always SSH so far. Port 22 is reserved for the SSH or secure shell. So what is the flag can you find after successfully accessing the Semba service? So the Semba service, what you can do is just minimize this one, open your root home, and here write smb : and the IP address of the machine, which is 10.10.178.164. So, and then hit enter, and then click on the admins as shown in the picture. Admins, choose register user because the anonymous is not allowed, or if you also connect it, you may not get anything. So let's just connect it once, and we can see it's not allowed to access. So let's go to registered user, which the username as password is provided here. The username is Ubuntu, and the password is Santa 2022, and hit connect, and you will be in the Samba service. You can access the Samba service and access all the files that are here. So let's check the flag. The flag is THM Santa SMB server. So let's just type it here. Sorry, let's just type it here. THM Santa SMB server. Submit. So what is the password for the username? Santa HR. So let me close this one, and as you can see, we have a user list also here. Open it, and you will see all the username and the passwords for the user: Santa, Santa HR, Santa CISO, Santa Tech, and Santa accounts. So for the Santa HR, the password is Santa 25. Santa 25. So, and the last question: if you want to learn more about the port scanning or more scanning techniques, where the TryHackMe has a module dedicated to nmap, you can check it out. It's awesome, and you will get lots of information from there. So completed. Nice. We are done for this video and for this challenge. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and also hit the like button to hack the YouTube algorithm. So see you in the next video.